Hello, in this video I'll provide an overview of the VBOUT dashboard. So once you have signed up for the 14-day free trial or you have purchased any of the plans, you'll log into VBOUT and you'll see a dashboard that looks something like this. You'll find all the VBOUT features on the left side, and on the top you'll find when you set up your icon over here in the drop down, you'll find more settings. So this is the dashboard primarily, and you will see some steps that you would need to complete. As you can see, I've already completed some steps, like basic steps like tracking website engagement by installing the tracking code. So once you click over there, it'll take you to the settings page wherein you can set up your domain, where you can add the website tracking code, which is over here, right? You'll have to add this in the domain settings in the hosting provider, for example, and you'll also see second step, which is verify your email sending domain. So you'll have to set up your email sending domain over here, domain sender verification. All right, and then next step you'll find connect your social media profiles, because VBOUT also provides a social media suite, which you can see over here. So you'll have to connect that, create an email list or import your contacts, setting up the first email campaign and sending it out, automating your workflow, building and launching a landing page, setting up your goals. For example, if I want to create a goal, so what I can do is I will come to the goals page and I will click on create a goal. Now you will find goals that you can create in different types. A goal can also be a landing page visit, which can be your home page or any landing page. It can be a tag that you can add. It can be duration, for example. So if somebody spends more than 2 minutes, then that's a micro goal for you, right? So those visitors who have spent 2 minutes or 3 minutes or more than 5 minutes are very important, because maybe they liked your content and they've stayed on your website for some time. You can also see pages visited. So if the number of pages visited is more than 3, that's a micro goal for you. PPC referral network. So what is the referral traffic? Where is the traffic coming from? It can be Google, Bing, Facebook, X, which is Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. Event triggered, funnel tracking. What is the funnel that you are creating? I'm going to go with the first one just for the sake of this website, sake of this video. So I'm going to go with website homepage visitors, for example. Right? I'm going to click on domain and then matches. So I'm going to let me open up my website. Let me take this courses page that I have. I'm going to put in over here, and you can see over here the destination matches exactly, contains, starts with, or ends with. So I'm just going to click on save goal. So now the goal is set up. So whenever users land over here, that will be classified as a goal which has been completed. Let me just go ahead and edit the name. This is not the home page, this is the courses page. All right, so I'm going to save this goal. I'm going to create another goal now, which is number of let's say number of pages visited. Right, so now pages visited is more than, let's say, 3, then that's I'm going to click on select the domain. So more than 3, then that's a goal for me. All right, so I'm going to go back to the dashboard view. So here you will see all the steps that you would need to complete. This is part of the onboarding process. You will also see events calendar, but if you don't see this events calendar, for example, you can click on new widget and you will see all of these widgets that you can drag and drop over here. So for example, a video training or an events widget is more important to you than an events calendar, then by all means you can drag and drop it over here and it will show upfront. But if I scroll down, you will see the landing page visitors, my contacts, new contacts, all the automations that I have set up, and the leads funnel. But by all means you can also drag and drop whatever is important for you. So for example, if I want to, social feed is more important to me, so I'm going to just drag and drop it over here. I'm going to submit. So it goes by default at the very end, so I'm going to drag it up So you can drag and drop this social media feed, for example, and you will see that it has replaced the events calendar feed. So this way you can customize your dashboard. You can also create a new dashboard, and you can switch the dashboard. You can create it from here, new dashboard, for example. So for example, one dashboard can be a marketing dashboard, the second dashboard can be a sales dashboard, for example, and then you can toggle between these two dashboards, right? So you can also create a report. It's very quick and very easy to create, right? So that's about the dashboard. Now you can come to the email part. So you will see all the emails that you have been sending out. This is a one-time email blast. So as you can see, the top 3 email campaigns that I've run, the subject line, the details, target audience, and the actions. You can see the analytics as well. You can the usual analytics, which are the how many emails have been sent, how many opened, what are the total number of clicks, conversions which has not been set up, unsubscribed, bounce, complaint, shared, etc. Right? So, and you can also check out the email templates that they have. They provide some beautiful email templates. You can click on create template, and then you can upload your own template. If you have an HTML file, you can otherwise use the classic or the new builder, or you can create your own custom email template. So I'll go with the new template or the new builder. So the new drag and drop builder opens up. I'll cover more of this in the email marketing video, but I'll just provide a quick overview of this. So I'm going to so you can create your own email template. So let me see how. So for example, if I take this as a structure and then I click on headers, and you'll find some beautiful headers over here that you can use. You'll also find some beautiful templates. So you can just drag and drop this, and you will see that the template is showing in real time. Right? Now there are different, you can always go back, and there are some different options over here, centering and fonts, etc. Like I said, we will explore more of this. For example, now if I want to add my social media, I can just drop it over here, and you will find the social media icons here. If I want to add a countdown timer, I can drag and drop it wherever I want, and the countdown timer is started. Similarly, if I want to add a carousel, for example, I can drag and drop, and you will find that you can use this carousel images. Right? More on this in the email marketing video. I'm just going to exit without saving, and you will also see file manager. So you can upload any number of files that you want over here, which includes images, videos, JPEGs, every single thing. You can also design it on Canva. So once you click on design, they have a native integration with Canva, and Canva opens up. Right, here you go. You see all that you can do on Canva very easily. You also have animated GIFs. You can have stock photos, icons. Alright, different type of icons that you can use. E-commerce store. You can select your own product store. Right, that's the email marketing tool. Next up, you have the automation. In the automation page, you will find all the automations that you have created. So I've completed this many number of automations. There's one contact pending. You will see analytics over here, for example. You can also create new automation. You can check out your automation templates as well. So VBOUT provides a lot of templates which comply with the best practices of different industries. So for example, if you are in the e-commerce business, click on e-commerce, and you will find some very good e-commerce templates over here. So order completed. I'm just going to click on use template and see how the template looks like. So you will find these ready-made templates available at the click of a button. All you need to do is check which template works for you, and then use that template. Right, as it's loading, we'll just go back to automation. It's taking more than, yeah. So you'll find these automation over here. So somebody has completed, so completed the order. This is the trigger of the configuration or the workflow. So you will delay for 5 minutes and you will sync over here. So you see here they have synced to directly to the retargeting audience, which is the Facebook and Google ads, right? And you can also sync it with native integrations like Salesforce, HubSpot, or you can sync it via your own webhook. All right, pretty straightforward. Then you will find different automation templates over here for each industry. So if you want to go with events, for example, you'll find some event automation templates here. This is best used for events and webinars. This is best used for B2B, recurring events, reminders, and renewals. Same with health and fitness, hospitality, marketing agencies. For example, you'll see webinar, you'll see lead follow-up, lead magnet and nurture sequence, consultation, internal announcement, push to upgrade sequence. So you'll find media publishing, new contacts, promotions, real estate, all the way till transactional. All right, so these are different automations which are available. You can also segment them using different folders. Right. Next up is social. So in the social suite, you can find the calendar preview, and you can compose a short video, or you can click on compose here, and the adding the image, the text, integration with Canva, everything comes up. You will also find some streams over here. So in the streams, you will see everything that you have posted, and you can add more streams over here. So for example, this is the Facebook stream. You can add over here the Twitter stream, and over here YouTube stream or LinkedIn stream, whatever. You'll see the analytics here. Analytics tab or feature is again very, very powerful. So let me show you the YouTube analytics, for example, of Digital Doorway. So you will see all the likes, the comments, the views in this date range. So if I want to expand on this, you'll find more analytics over here. You'll see the number of likes, average view time, and from where you are, the geolocation, the demographics. All right. The video statistics. So for example, the introductory video of VBOUT that I had created, I got 38 views and 1 like, and these are shorts, and you'll find all the videos, the analytics of each of these. All right. So similarly, social clicks as well. So you can, in the social clicks, obviously you can see which, start using our link tracker. You'll have to put in your link tracker to engage and break it down per channel. Right. Next up is contacts. You'll find all the contacts that you have over here. And landing pages, you can create some beautiful landing pages. Again, they have custom built landing pages. So for example, if I want to click on create a landing page, it'll take me to the page builder, wherein you can select any, you can write the description, the meta title and the meta description over here. I'm just going to click on save settings, and you can design from scratch, or you can choose a template. So I'm going to click on choose template, and here again you will find different templates. This is for best for real estate, best for build an AI. This is good for restaurant. All right, so let me drag and drop this over here. So you'll find this beautiful landing page over here, and you'll see the block options. You can set the padding, you can form settings, for example, you can add in your own list settings, you redirect to an external page or to redirect to a landing page. When there are multiple submissions, what to do, use an existing list if there is a if someone signs up. All right, so you have everything over here. You also have all of these templates, plus you have some pre-designed blocks as well. So for example, header, intro, social media. So if I want to add a social media feed, for example, here, so let me see. All right, so you'll find the social media icons that you can add over here. All right, so you can add these. You have the design elements. So for example, if you want to add 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, or a table or a payment. Let's say you want to add a payment over here. So all of these options are readily available for you, and you can go ahead and use this landing page. I'm going to exit this without saving. You'll find the landing page over here that we just created, and you can see the analytics as well of this landing page. You will see the total sessions, total visitors, conversions, and the conversion rate. Alright, the last option is the pipeline manager. So in the pipeline manager, you will see something called the task. This is especially useful for your sales team, where you can add in all the tasks and create your own board. Alright, so these are the main features. I'll be putting in a video for each of these features describing in detail, so stay tuned for the future videos in this playlist. Now over to the top features. So you'll see the account. This is the digital doorway account. Here you will see support. So for example, lightning bot human support. If I click over here, the chat bot opens up, and you will see VBOUT support team over here who will be answering all of your messages. You can also go to AI powered support and start a new conversation, AI chatbot, chat support, or AI marketing assistant. The final option is the knowledge base. So you can put in any questions that you have, and the knowledge base opens up. Alright, over here you have the settings tab. In the settings, you will find all the information. You can put in your website, your time zone, your site language, your logo, every single thing that's out there. Agency login, domain sender verification, custom SMTP. I mean, VBOUT by themselves, they provide their own SMTP when you want to send out emails. But if you want to add an external SMTP, like for example SMTP to go or something else, then by all means you can do that. Website tracking code, which is again very important. Landing page domains, you can add your own custom domain over here or a subdomain. E-commerce product feeds, default sending values, shortcodes. You can add your shortcodes over here, or you can add custom shortcodes here. You can even white label, add in your signature. You can even prepare or create your own calendar. Alright, so what kind of booking or calendar do you use? Is it Google or Outlook? And you can connect your own calendar over here. Alright, so campaign groups, billing. So currently I am on the AppSumo license Tier 5 plan. This is lifetime subscription that I took a couple of years back. So we took this because we got a lifetime deal on AppSumo. You'll find the users over here. You'll find all the add-ons. Now again, add-ons is very important. So the HubSpot sync is free. The SMTP that they provide is free. Subject line analysis is free. Predictive sending is $50 per month, but HubSpot support team gave this to us for free. That's why you'll see the green tick over here. Copy AI assistant is free. So they have a very beautiful AI writer which they have already integrated. But if you want to send out more emails, so this is where you'll find the number of emails and the price for each of these. So 25,000 emails at $100. All right. So as you go on, you will find more and more. If you want the meeting scheduler, it's going to be $5 per month. If you want additional email inboxes, it's going to cost $20. So add 100 team members more, it's going to cost you nearly $50 per month. So you'll find all of these add-ons over here. Now the HubSpot add-on is for free, but you'll see the Salesforce sync is close to $100. Zoho sync is for free. Insightly is for free. All right, so let's take a look at these, because you will find all the add-ons over here. When it comes to integrations, again, they have some very powerful integrations with Zoho, FTP, Insightly, HubSpot. So it'll take you directly, once I click over here, it'll take you to the HubSpot connector. Mine is already connected. For example, in the digital doorway website footer, I've got around 100 leads from there, and this is an hourly kind of a sync which is there. All right, so this was set up in 2022. So you will find all of these connectors over here. This is the HubSpot connector. All right, so let me just go back to integration. So you'll find all of these integrations which are here. Pabbly integration, SyncSpider, Integrately, WordPress. They have a very powerful WordPress plugin as well. WooCommerce, Magento, Shopify, Elementor. If you're using WordPress and you want to use a page builder and a theme builder, you can go with Elementor. E-commerce integration, and they have their own API as well, which is good. And then you can change the plan that you want. Referral program, automatically they give you a referral link over here. Referral and partner program, something that you can promote VBOUT continuously. Alright, so this is an overview of VBOUT. So you'll find all of these features very easily. The dashboard is very intuitive. You don't have to navigate too much to see where this feature is or where another feature is, because everything is over here on the left panel, and the admin features are there in the drop down. Pretty simple, straightforward, and you can navigate on your own without any technical help from the VBOUT team. The good thing is that their support team are always available to support you for any questions that you have. Alright, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.